Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This week we'll be doing something completely different. We're going to be doing a hair and makeup video. It's going to be featuring my friend Kajana, and I'll be doing her makeup. My sister's going to be doing her hair. So stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoy it. For this look, we use the Exotic Curl from the Kai collection by Latched and Hooked. Because of how loose the hair is, we tied an extra knot around it to keep it secure. To give it a more natural look, when pulling through the loop, we only pulled through one strand and left out the other so that it could flip over and cover the bump. The main purpose of pulling through one strand is to give the front a more natural, invisible part. That way it looks like it's coming out of your scalp. Just don't look directly into that. Keep your head down while I'm doing the makeup. I'm going in with the Black Radiance Color Perfect Foundation Stick in the shade Cashmere. For the contour, we'll be using the True Complexion Cream Contour Palette in medium to dark for our contour and highlight. Our concealer is a cream concealer, so it's not going to show as much on the skin, especially because she doesn't really need a lot of concealer. So this is really helping us to give us that natural glow.
On my face.
For today's blush, we'll be using the Mineral Fusion Minerals on a Mission. today's eye look, I'm going to be using the shade Neo from the Saharan Blush Volume 1 palette to do the base of the eyelid. Our next eyeshadow shade is going to be the warmer chocolate brown on the left of our Chocolates by JUVIAS Place palette. For our shimmer, we're going to be using Lila from the Saharan Blush Volume 1 palette. We decided to use the more warmer brown tone from the Chocolates palette to do the eyeliner instead of using black liner, just to keep it natural. For mascara, we used the Elizabeth Arden Grand Entrance Mascara in Studding Black. Today's lips, we'll be using the LIPBAR HeartBreaker Lipgloss. This color is a beautiful chocolate brown, and it worked perfect for this natural look we were trying to achieve. That was my first time ever doing someone else's makeup. So anyway, coming soon. Stay tuned. See y'all next time. Bye.